Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. May buntag, may hudto, may panihapon mga Bisaya and mga Tagalog friends. So, nag-vlog Bisaya ta. 3 or 4 months ago, we went to Mooloolaba. That's in Sunshine Coast. We stayed there for 2 nights and 3 days. By the way, we got this place through AirBnB. I'll show you the first room. Got 2 beds. And the next one, this is a bit bigger. So this is the room I stayed for 2 nights. So ako siya, hindi matulog. And the next one, we got 2 bunker beds. And got the toilet and the shower area. So the place is actually nice, guys. With mag-outing ang pamilya where you can stay. And this is the master's bedroom. Got back door access. And actually I own toilet and shower. It's nice, right? So if you want to stay here, you can also wash. And this is the living room or living area. We got the kitchen and the dining area. So we stayed there for 2 nights and 3 days, but we had side tour on other tourist areas. So you can cook barbecue. It's like a mini boardwalk. So this is the back portion. You can go fishing, and during the night you can chill. Most of the people here, most houses have their own private jeep. So thank you guys for watching, and see you on next video.